Righto, just did the spin cycle for the first time. Out of Delle. There's the washing machine. We're going to go hit this thing here. The spin cycle connector. That's what I'm going to call it, because this connects from the ridge trail over there. I see some blokes out there. There are some other punters out riding. Intruders! Alright, I'm going to take this one across, and I think it gets to the end of the cow connector trail, right near the west end train crossing. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, across the main road there. Oh yeah, there's been some boys on this one. Gotta watch out for the divers out here, the little gullies. Some of them can creep up on ya, be a little sharp on ya. Ah, should I wheel tap that one right across it? There's some wire across the trail back there. I'll lock someone's stuff up, lock their junk up, and their day real quick. Alright, let's hoik that. Oh, nice hop across that one. Another bit of a sharp one there. Here we are at the electricity pole. That's the cow connector trail there. Here we are up over here. See them other boys? They're up there. Oh, someone going up. Why is he coming down? Always good to see other boys out riding now. That's excellent. Now, there we go. Right, mate. Righto. That's awesome. Let's go down here. But you could always, from that spin cycle, head on out that way, where them boys came from back there. Ah, the configurations, the possibilities are magnificent.